What's up, guys? So one of the most confusing things when you first get started on Turo is the vehicle protection and insurance policy that they provide. And this is not to be confused with your personal insurance policy, which I'll cover in depth throughout this video. But what I want to tackle today is exactly what the vehicle protection policy is, the types of policies that Turo provides, and how it's different than your personal insurance that you will have on your vehicle. I'm here on my host profile and I've gone into my settings and the vehicle protection tab down here. And so what you'll see here are the 4 different options that Turo provides for the vehicle protection. Now when Turo is referring to vehicle protection, they're referring to commercial insurance that they provide while you are renting out your vehicle. And the first one they provide is the Turo Premium, and this is the most conservative option that offers the top tier protection. And so what this will allow you to do is to earn up to 65% of the trip price that you put out there. $1 million in liability insurance. Liability coverage protects hosts against lawsuits for bodily injury and property damage to third parties that occurred during that trip period. 0 out-of-pocket costs for cover damage to your car, and there's an asterisk here. It's important to note that this asterisk means and states here that your car is covered up to the actual cash value, up to $125,000, for collision and most comprehensive events during a trip, including theft. If you want to learn more about that, you can click this link here, and that provides you an in-depth explanation of exactly what events are covered throughout their policy. Additionally, with this premium coverage, you get a replacement of the car during repair, covers exterior wear and tear, and covers loss of rental income. The next option you're going to find is the standard policy. This is the default plan when you first get started. It will already be pre-selected too. You will earn 70% of the trip price. You'll have the $1 million in liability insurance and $0 out-of-pocket costs for covered damage to your car. Now that's awesome because that means if there is an event where your car is damaged or needs repaired and it was the fault of the driver during that trip period, your deductible will be $0 for that damage and the rider will be the one who has to pay for it. And then the replacement car during repair. Third option here is Turo Basic, and this is definitely a more aggressive policy that they offer. And this allows you to earn up to 85% of the total trip price. Still have the $1 million in liability insurance. However, you will be subject to a maximum of a $3,000 deductible for out-of-pocket costs. And there's 2 asterisks here. So this brings us down here. So it says, for any covered incident, Turo pays 20% of damage costs up to $3,750 and 100% above that amount. So it's very important to note. The last option here is you are able to decline the insurance if you have an existing commercial renter's policy, and this allows you to earn substantially more. So you will be earning up to 90% of the trip price. However, you must provide at least the minimum insurance, liability, and or physical damage mandated by applicable law. There's no liability or physical damage coverage provided by Turo, and no roadside assistance provided. So what I've done here is I've broken out the 3 policies that Turo provides: the premium, standard, and basic coverages. So for premium, again, you keep 65% of those earnings. So for me renting out my Slingshot at $137 a day, I would only retain $89.05. For the standard protection, I'd retain $95.90. And for basic, I would retain $116.45. So you can see that you definitely earn substantially more if you go with the basic coverage. However, you got to keep in mind that $3,000 deductible can really hurt you if there were to be some damage on your vehicle during your trip. Thanks for watching, guys, and I hope at this point you now have a basic level understanding of the different insurance policies that Turo provides. I personally go with the standard protection. I think it's best for my business, and it covers me in the event that there is an insurance claim for one of my vehicles.